to give you a review of these stick carpet tiles. These were gifted to me. They come in big squares like this. I believe they're 24, maybe they're 18 by 18, but they come in a whole box full of them. And you basically just lay them together, and there is an adhesive that kind of fastens at where all four corners meet on each square to be able to keep them together. I am going to lay them down here in the corner of our basement that we have for working out. My husband just had some old mats laying down there to kind of protect the floor from the weights. These are going to look a lot more uniform, so I'm going to get this all cleared out, give the floor a clean, and let's put them together. And there you have it. Super easy to put together. As you can see, they have a little bit of like a stripe pattern in them. And I went ahead and just took some liberty to put some horizontally, some diagonally, just to offset it, to give it a little bit of extra texture when you're looking at it. It fits in my corner perfectly. Obviously, you could purchase more tiles if you wanted to do an entire floor space. But the lovely thing about them is that they're not permanent. If you get tired of this, you can pull them out and put them somewhere else or replace them with something. If one gets stained or wrecked, you can just pull that specific square out and replace it. So it's a really neat concept for a gym area to protect your floor, maybe a bedroom area, dining room, really anywhere, even like a garage setting, you could put these. They do have like a durable sort of rubber backing, so they will be a little bit water resistant that way for in the bottom. So a basement is a good place for them to go, but overall they make a space feel a little bit more cozy, a little bit more warm, and they are super easy to do.